Earth will have an asteroid flyby on December 29th. Several dozen asteroids ranging in size from 6 to 12 meters or 20 to 39 feet are known to fly by Earth at a distance closer than the Moon each year. But fewer detected and fewer yet are charted before they arrive. An increasing number of sky surveys, however, by both professional and amateur astronomers, is detecting smaller and more distant asteroids. Asteroid 2024, YA5, a piece of rock the size of a bus, some 31 feet long, passes by Earth at a distance of no less than 218,000 miles on December 29th, according to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory's Asteroid Watch. The last asteroid impact on Earth occurred over Russia in 2013, when a 17-meter chunk of space rock exploded midair. The most significant asteroid in recorded history, however, was the 1908 Tunguska event in Siberia that produced a 12-megaton explosion.